I mean, I have to talk to you about this. I mean, this is the greatest, I think the greatest concert of all time. This is their historic performance in Moscow in September of 91. This is shortly before the Soviet Union collapsed. Plus, we should mention AC/DC and Pantera were there too. And about 1.6 million people were there. Now, by the way, there's like some kind of reporting that it was 500,000 people, 500,000 people. That's somewhere I've seen statements like that. That's a ridiculously inaccurate statement. So it's a free concert. So any official counts don't count. It's definitely over 1 million. It's very likely to be 1.5, 1.6 million people. And this moment in history that I think they channeled, it's like whenever great music, the Metallica was firing on all cylinders at the very top of their game, and they meet this moment in history and this place in history that was a defining part of the 20th century collapsing, and you have these people who are, for a moment through music, are able to escape the fear, the anger they feel, all of it. There's also a political, social, cultural moment meeting the musical moment. And the set list, I listened to it several times over the past few days, just taking myself back into that moment in time. Listen to the set list. Enter Sandman, Creeping Death, Harvester of Sorrow, Fade to Black, Sad But True, Master of Puppets, Seek and Destroy, For Whom the Bell Tolls, One, and Whiplash. Look at that. How's that? That just
That's
get
my
the
kind of
fuck
set.
out of here. This is amazing.
That's my kind of set right there.
I don't know if you could think of anything that could beat that.
I think that the guys in the band would say that too. That was, I mean, they were really at their peak. The Black Album had just come out then, and that must have been so exciting.